Students, welcome back to Social Studies class. I hope you all are doing fine. Chapter 2, the Northern Mountains. Last class we discussed about life in the Northern Mountains. We discussed Jammu and Kashmir. Let us recollect some of the points. Jammu and Kashmir is the crown of India. The Kashmir Valley is one of the most beautiful places in the world. So it is called the paradise on earth. Jammu and Kashmir consists of three regions: Jammu, the Kashmir Valley, and Ladakh. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. Jammu people drink a special type of tea called khawa. During winters, when it is too cold, the people keep a small earthen pot called gangri to keep themselves warm. The main occupation of the people in Jammu and Kashmir is agriculture. The people in Kashmir speak Kashmiri, Ladakhi, Dogri and Urdu. Islam, Hinduism and Buddhism are the three main religions in Kashmir. Eid and Sivaratri are the main festivals. Gulmarg, Sonmarg, Bahalgam and Amarnath caves are the famous places of Jammu and Kashmir. Thousands of people visit Vaishnava Devi temple near Jammu. In the northern east part of Jammu and Kashmir is Ladakh. The main festivals of Jammu and Kashmir are Eid and Sivaratri. So today we are going to study about Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Let us start the class. Students, look at this Indian map. So here you can see the Himachal Pradesh where it is there in the Indian map, where it is there Himachal Pradesh. You can see here it is in red color. It is in red color. It is in red color, pointed out red color. So that place is called Himachal Pradesh. So Himachal Pradesh is another state in northern India. It is bordered by Jammu and Kashmir on the north, Punjab on the west and southwest, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh on the south and Uttarakhand on the southeast. So see the location of the Himachal Pradesh. So on the top it is the bordered by Jammu and Kashmir, where it is the Jammu and Kashmir on the top on the north, and Punjab on the west. Punjab on the west, just this side, west side. Then Punjab on the west and southwest Haryana. Southwest this side Haryana and Uttar Pradesh on the south. Just down Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, here it is there Uttar Pradesh. It was written. And Uttarakhand on the southeast, this side, just down of this Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. So the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Simla. Have you ever heard about this name? Simla. Simla is a hill station, very famous hill station. So the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Simla. The people of Himachal eat rice, maize, vegetables and meat. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Simla. Their main occupation is farming. In Himachal Pradesh, people main occupation is farming. So the main crops are rice, barley, maize, and plums and apples are grown in large quantities and supplied to other parts of the country. Because the soil and climate of Himachal Pradesh are well suited to apple cultivation. Here the plums and apples are grown in large quantity. What is the reason? Because of the soil. The climate of Himachal Pradesh are well suited to apple cultivation. That is why here apples are grown in large quantities. That is why they supply to other parts of the country. Then Bagri. The women tie a scarf called tasu on their head. So women, they used to tie their scarf on their head, while men wear special types of colorful bordered caps. So men also wearing caps, but that cap was designed colorful border. So women tie a scarf. Scarf, as you know, scarf called tazu. Please underline the word tazu and underline the word scarf. Then the Himachalis are mostly farmers only. So Hindi and Bahari are the main languages. Hindi and Bahari are the main languages. Hinduism and Buddhism are the main religions. Hinduism and Buddhism also main religion. Dasara is the most popular festival here. So in Himachal Pradesh, Dasara is the most popular festival. So famous hill station like Kulu, Manali and Simla are in Himachal Pradesh. Dance and music are quite popular with the people. Is it clear, students? Here you can see the famous tourist destinations in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has many hill stations. Famous hill stations like Kulu, Manali and Simla. All these famous hill stations are in Himachal Pradesh. Other famous tourist destinations like Chamba, Dharamsala, Dalhousie, Kazauli, Gangra, Yuna, Hamirpur, Solan, Sarmar. All these places are very famous tourist destination in Himachal Pradesh. During our summer vacation, we can go and enjoy the climate of Himachal Pradesh. Next, Uttarakhand. Look at the image of Indian map where it is there. I pointed out as a round. So with here it is there Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand, it is a newly formed state. In January 2007, the name of the state was officially changed from Uttaranchal to Uttarakhand. In January 2007, the name of the state was officially changed from Uttaranchal to Uttarakhand. Before it was Uttaranchal. So after January 9, 2007, the name was changed to Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand's capital is Dehradun. Dehradun. Where it is there Uttarakhand? Uttarakhand is bordered by China on the north. On the northern side China will be there and Nepal to the eastern side, Nepal, northern side China. It is known for its natural beauty. The people of Uttarakhand are simple, brave and hard-working people. Many people join Indian Army. Dehradun is also known for the Indian Military Academy. Dehradun is also known for the Indian Military Academy because many people also join Army, Indian Army. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. The people eat rice and vegetables. They like to wear bright and colorful clothes. The people are mostly Hindus. Here most of the people are Hindus. They speak Garhwali and Kumanoi languages. Underline these two languages. They speak. Uttarakhand people speak Garhwali and Kumanoi languages. They speak their tribal language too. Here in Uttarakhand also the popular hill stations like Missouri and Nainidal lie in this state. So have you ever visited Missouri and Nainidal? Other famous places are Haridwar, Almora, Badrinath and Kedarnath. Other famous places Haridwar, Almora, Badrinath and Kedarnath. So all these famous tourist places are there in Uttarakhand. Hindi and Harwali are the main languages. Hindi and Harwali are the main languages. So is it clear, students? That's all for today class. I hope you all understood. Meet you in the next class. Till then, revise the chapter. Thought. See you. Take care. Have a good day.